Hi, I'm Adam Drake, and today I'm going to take you under the hood my Mugen Nmb MBX8 Nitro Buggy. I'm going to talk about some of the different products that I use and also give a little bit of an explanation on why I choose to run those products or hop-up parts on my Mugen MBX8 Nitro Buggy. So here we have a closer look at my Mugen Nmb MBX8 Nitro Buggy. Before removing the JConcepts S15 body, I just want to give a shout out to Chris from DarkSide Designs for the amazing paintwork, and also to Stick It One Racing for all the graphics, wing wrap, logos, all that stuff for making my vehicles look really awesome. So like I said, it's the S15 body from JConcepts. I also have the JConcepts front nose scoop and the JConcepts F2I wing. Now with the F2I wing, it comes with a built-in wicker bill. As you can see here though, I have that cut off. In most conditions, I remove the wicker bill just because it helps jump a little bit better in windy conditions if you remove that wicker bill. If you're looking to have a little bit more rear traction, you would want to leave that wicker bill on the wing. So as far as some of the hop-up parts from Mugen, I have the carbon fiber, the 1mm arm inserts on both the front and the rear. I have the E2310 aluminum servo saver top. Just helps make the servo saver action more consistent. When you use the plastic servo saver top, sometimes dust and dirt can get in there and it'll make the servo saver almost seem like it gets tighter because it's just kind of like having sandpaper in there. Throughout the vehicle, I use the Mugen Nmb bearings. They're just super efficient. They make the drivetrain really free. From Mugen, this is originally made for our MRX6R Nitro on-road car, but it's a little pipe mount to help secure the pipe. As far as the power plant goes, we have, of course, the OS Speed B21 Adam Drake Edition 2 engine, and it's outfitted with a 75mm manifold and the 2090, or it's now referred to as the TB02 exhaust pipe, P3 Gold glow plug, and next we'll move on to the tires. I have the JConcepts Reflex in green compound on the JConcepts bullet wheels with the DirtTech inserts. Also from JConcepts, I have the new finned titanium turnbuckles. They're anodized black, and then there's also some machining done so you can see where there's some silver markings. Just make it look really trick and nice. As for the electronics, we have the Protek 170 SBL steering servo, the Protek 170 TBL throttle servo, and then that's controlled with the Futaba 7PXR radio, and then the receiver I use is the R324 receiver, which has dual antennas. All that's powered by the Flashpoint 2500 milliamp receiver battery. The switch that I use is actually a Spectrum mechanical switch. I also sometimes use the Protek electronic switch. Other accessories from Flashpoint include the Flashpoint fuel line, the Flashpoint pre-oiled air filters. We have the Flashpoint aluminum one-piece wing washer, which can be used for many different vehicles. Inside the diffs, I use the Flashpoint aluminum cross pins. We have the Flashpoint aluminum magnetic wheel nuts, and then also some blue washers from Flashpoint just to make it look nice, and those go really good with the Lunsford titanium screws. Some of the other titanium parts that I have are from Avid. It's the titanium domed droop screws, and also the titanium shock pins. Again, those are from Avid RC. But just wanted to give you a closer look and a little bit of a inside scoop on my personal Mugen MBX8 Nitro Buggy, how I have it outfitted, and some of the accessories I use from some of the other great companies that I race for.